Hi, welcome to Money Horn again. Unlimited free traffic to make $100 a day with CPA marketing. That is the topic we are going to cover. I cover in this video. Just stay with me. I'm going to show you how easy it is to get free unlimited CPA traffic to make $100 or even more in CPA marketing. So with CPA marketing, this is really going to be awesome tutorial. So simply just stay and watch this video and stay with this channel. So just go over to the site. I'm going over to Google, right? So we have to search from like Google because we want traffic. So the number one research platform is always Google. So we search it on Google, but what we search on? So we have to find a product, right? Some CPA offers that we have to promote, that we can bring traffics to, and that can convert us to $100. But to choose from, there are lots of marketplace. You can go over to the Offertoro or fplus.com. If I just go over to sites like fplus.com, you can see that there are lots of offers. You can search for anything like it, and in the product is available there. You just go on, select a product and apply. Those products needs to be from a network, right? So you have to apply on those networks and get approved. So this process is a little bit lengthy, but sometimes it gets difficult because lots of network do not just welcome new promoters. They just want professional promoters, professional marketers. So this is the catch here. So if you don't have that potential, if you don't know how to choose the product or how to market it, if you're a beginner, then just wait, watch and how I do it. So simply just go over to, you can choose like CPA leads. In case if you just go over to CPA lead, they doesn't require any professional marketing experience. You just simply go on, register, hit the sign up button and register and go on like that. But also you can choose CPA grip. You just go over to cpagrip.com and just register, and know, without any verification, without any marketing skills, without any prior experience or being an expert marketer, you can start working with this type of sites with on. And so simply the number one site that I already forgot is clickbank.com. Obviously clickbank.com is the number one easy way to start affiliate marketing if you are a complete beginner. So simply, if you are professional, you know how to do it. But if you are a beginner, then these type of platforms are really awesome to work with. So what we do now, so we just go over to, let's choose Clickbank. So we go on and you can see there are lots of offers every day to promote and make money, and you can see the commissions in the right sides, all the commissions. So let's, for example, we want to promote like health related products, and so Clickbank is best for them. So simply, if I just go on and search for like keto here, if I just search on keto, you can see that it comes up with the results related to keto diet, keto offers, keto weight loss offers. All these are really going on and hot offers. You can see the average conversions rate, the profit you can make from these type of offers. So choose any offer like that and hit the promote button, and it will get the affiliate link to promote and go on work with us. So simply just, we got the link, right? So we got the link, we selected the product. Now we go on and search on Google. So we go over to Google and we are going to search for like something I'm going to show you. It's an easy way. Just search for like quora.com space, then hit a plus sign, and then you just write in URL, in URL, then a space, hit a space and just write your keyword. So for this case I write keto. So this is it. Just simply enter it, it will show the results of like this. You can see that quora.com plus in URL space your keyword, your desired keyword here. So you can see that it comes up with the results of from the Quora on the first page, and you can see that all the related questions that are people asking on Quora are in front of you. You can see that Quora.com what is the meal plan for a keto diet, and the second question is what was your keto meal plan for weight loss like, and what can I eat on keto that has no carbs, and how do I build muscle on the keto. You can see that opportunities here. You can see obviously you can also learn to see what is the possibilities here. You can see with every questions, every results, there is a statistics here. These questions has no statistics. You can see these questions has one answer, 0 votes. These questions has 2 answers, 0 votes. These questions have 7 votes but no answer. You can see the possibilities, the answers we are looking for to be on the first to answer that questions, and the less questions it has, we have a better opportunity to keep in front of the people's eye. So this is what it all about. So just look for the questions that have lowest minimum amount of answers, and one answer or no answer is the best way options, and you just go on. And if you search for, if I click on these questions, you can see the questions loads up and it has one answer only. So simply just search it this type of topics and keto meal plan diet on Google, and search it on and get a topics, get an idea, but do not copy everything. Quora doesn't allow that. You just have to rewrite something. So simply just copy this topics idea and search it on Google and get the idea. There are lots of ideas will be on Google. People are writing about it. Just get the idea and just simply rewrite it. You know English, you are reading English, so simply search the results and just study what people write about it, and simply write it in your own words and just answer it. That's simple. And when you answer it, you can simply go over to the site like Linktree. This is Linktree. The address is linktr.ee. So this is the site. You can, there are lots of sites like to share links and bios. This is a really good way, because all the social medias like Quora and all, they doesn't support like direct affiliate marketing links. So you have to build a landing page for that. So it just simply build a landing page like this. You can see this is an example. What you can see, just sign up for free and just get your links from clickbank.com and get the link, and just simply go over to the link tree and just paste this links like this. Your landing page will be look like this, simply with your image, whatever image you choose and whatever link you choose will be listed like this, and people going to go over to this and just going to click on this link, and you will be redirected to that offers. The person clicks on the button. Simply just go on and do this and answer all the questions that you find in the results of Google, and do it regularly. Just 1 and 2 times doesn't make you money. So simply you have to work regularly, go on daily and just submit and answer people's questions, but don't right away post affiliate links. Just simply listen to this, just build the audience of it. If you just answer it, some answers you promote affiliate links, some answers you do not promote. There are lots of thousands of questions and answers, but you have to take care of your profile so that you are stay in the green zone. So simply just answer those questions, and sometimes you just answer at the end of that answer, you just paste your link tree bio link, and also there are lots of sites like this, and just simply paste that link, and you will be in a good way that people will, when you see their answers, and people will come. You can see these are search results, and the people will definitely come to your answers and see your answer. and that is the what is all about. You just people go through your Linktree link and just click on it, and they will be redirected to the offer page, and when they purchase you will make money. And it's a no cost affiliate marketing, free affiliate marketing, unlimited free CPA traffic you can get from this. People are getting from this. This is a foolproof method to work with. So without wasting any more time, just go on, work with, be active, and money will always follow you. So if you're liking this video, just hit the like button, and if you're not subscribed yet, please go down below, press the subscribe button with the notification bell, so you're always notified on my latest videos. I have lots of videos daily. Just go on and subscribe to my channel, and you will be amazed how easy it is to earn money online. So see you in the next video. Till then, stay well, and thanks for watching.